Moving forward with question E of lattice method multiplication. So in this question it is written 668 multiply 695. Pay attention here. Now here we have 3-digit multiplicand and multiplier also of 3-digit. So when we have the multiplicand and multiplier both of 3 digits, then we have to make 3 boxes. Keep in mind, when we have 3-digit multiplier and multiplicand, that time we will make boxes using 3 lines. Got it? In this we will make box like this. You see, 2 lines like this and 2 lines like this. Understood? Why? Because we have 3 multiplicand and 3 multiplier. After this, again we will join the common points starting from here like this, then next one from here moving like this, okay, and then from here touching with here, then here and here, okay. Keep in mind, when we have 3-digit multiplier and multiplicand both, that time what we have to do, we will make the box using 3 lines. Then this common point also we will attach, then coming to this place and then here. Got it? Like this we will make the lattice column. After this, multiplier again in the topmost grid 668 and multiplicand 695. After this, all the things are same as we did in 2-digit multiplier type of question. So first of all, we have to multiply 668 with the first multiplier, that is 6, right? So 6 8s are 48. 48 is a 2-digit number. So 4 we'll write here and 8 here. Then 6 6 are 36. So we'll write here 3 and then 6. Again 6 6 are 36. Is it clear? So we have done the first multiplier solution. Now again all the 3 digits we will multiply with the second multiplier, which is 9. Now we have to multiply 9 with 8 first. So 9 8s are 72, 7 and 2. Then 9 6 are 54. So 54. Again we have 9 6 are 54. So 54. After this, the last multiplier, we will multiply all the multiplicands given here. 5 8s are 40. So 4 here and 0. 5 6 are 30. Again 5 6 are 30. Here we have completed the multiplication process. After doing multiplication, what we have to do? Adding the given numbers and writing here in the lines which we have, right? So for adding, we will begin from this side. So with this 0, we don't have any other number here, right? So 0 will be written here and answer for 0 also will be 0 only. Moving forward, 2 and 4 and 0, these 3 together are given in one grid now. So we'll write like this: 2 plus 4 plus 0 equal. 2 plus 4 is 6. After this, we have this number 8, 7, 4 and 3 and 0 also, right? All you can see here properly, you can see the grid which is formed here, okay? So we have 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0 like this. Keep in mind the numbers which are given in one line. You can see this particular portion, okay? One line, all the given numbers we have to add. Now here 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 4 19, 20, 21, 22. So here it will come 22, is it? Now you can see here we have two numbers, I mean 2 digits while adding this. So I told you that when we have 2-digit number, 22 is coming now, which is 2-digit. So 2-digit number, the tens place 2 will be carried forward in the next grid. Understood? Keep in mind always the tens place number is always carried forward. Now we will add the given digits in this column, that is plus 4, 6, 5, 4 and 3, right? So 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, we will add this. So how to add? You can see here only I will add 4, 6, 5, 4 and 3. 4, 6, 5, 4 and 3. Okay. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Here it will come 24. I don't have space here. Okay. So I'll write 24 here. Don't get confused. This 24 is for this place only. Okay. So now in this 24, if you see again a 2-digit number. Na? So when we have a 2-digit number, what do? The tens number is always carried forward in the next grid here. That is 2 again. Now in this grid, what all digits are given? 3, 6 and 5. So I'll write plus 3 plus 6 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14. This carried one, 15, 16. Na? So it will come here 16. Again we have a 2-digit number. So when we have a 2-digit number, this one's place is again carried forward here in 1. Now here we have only 3. So plus 3 will get here 4. Is it clear? This addition process is very important. Your addition should always be correct, and the numbers which you do now, that should be correct. And how the numbers will come correct? When you will make the table correct. So you should know how to make the lines by touching the common points properly. Got it? Na? Now we will write the answer here. So this place we have first of all 4. So here I'll write 4. And after 4, what do we have? This one, 6. Now, then 6. After this, we have 4 again here. Moving forward, we have here 2, right? Because this circled 2 is carried, and this one, 2, 6 and 0. 2, 6 and 0. So what is our answer for multiplying 668 with 695? 4,64,260. Clear? You can see from here. 4, then 6, 4, 2, 6 and 0. This is how we solve the lattice method solution when we have 3-digit multiplier and multiplicand both. Go through the clip very carefully because it is very important and a new concept for you, and solve it and practice it. The much you practice, the more you will understand, and less mistakes you will do while solving the sums. Okay, so practice it again and again.